Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off push notifications for a saved search on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and turn off push notifications for a saved search on eBay. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up the eBay app. Then on the bottom left hand corner, you want to click on My eBay, and then you want to click on Saved. Once you do that, you're going to see a list of your saved searches. Go ahead and click on the three dots next to the saved search, which you want to turn off push notifications for. And as you can see here, for this saved search, Japanese Pokemon card 36, I've enabled get push notifications. Go ahead and toggle that off, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off push notifications for a saved search on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know.